reader, Tarot Guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you have already subscribed my YouTube channel. If not, please subscribe right now and press that bell notification so that you keep getting regular updates of the videos that I release. So friends, before we start this video, first of all, I would like to tell you that this is the video about July 2021 predictions. But before we start the video, I would like to tell you that I have also launched another brand called Astro Vruksh by Shefali, which is a multi-astro stream solution brand. So that is a brand which offers multiple astro streams to arrive at a solution which suits you best. So do check out this channel, Astro Vruksh by Shefali. Do check out my website, which will be releasing soon under the name astrovruksbyshefali.com, and do explore the services under this brand, because we offer very practical and very scientific and realistic approach towards your solution of your problem. So we offer integrated destiny management solutions, which says that we offer a multi-stream approach to arrive at a solution of your problem so that you get the best possible choices at hand. So let's now quickly jump to your sun sign based predictions for July 2021. Let's see what's in cards for you. Taurians, let's see what's in cards for you for July 2021. People who are born from 20th of April to 20th of May are Taurians. Let's see what's in cards for them. So friends, as you are aware, this is a general reading, so I try to give the messages which I'm aligned to during the reading. So do pick and choose the advice that suits you most, that connects with you most, depending on situation. So we'll start with your energy oracle card. We have cornucopia in the reverse position in your energy oracle segment. Now this card is very much suggesting that you were expecting a lot of abundance, or maybe you were experiencing a lot of abundance in your life, but currently that abundance is looking out of reach. It is looking that it is appearing that you're not able to connect with this abundance, and that is making you feel low, maybe either in terms of self-confidence or in terms of energy. So don't worry friends, let's see what other cards are suggesting and when is this energy getting unlocked. We will start with your energy oracle card. We will start with your relationship card. We have King of Swords energy in the upright position. So this card is a very beautiful card, which is suggesting that you will be supported and guided by a very senior male figure in your life. Now this person will be mentally very strong. He'll be positioned very high in terms of your life, in your life, so either in social circle or in the professional circle, but he is going to be an anchor in your life in terms of relationship. So he's going to anchor your relationship. So if at all you are going through a difficult time in marriage, he is going to give you that confidence of settling down, that confidence that don't worry, I'll be taking care of it. So it could be your husband, it could be somebody senior in your family who is trying to guide you on the front of relationship. Now people who have been in partnership with somebody, this could be the time when you might feel taken care of or secured, or you might feel looked upon by the male partner or somebody who is related to him or related to you, who is giving you the confidence that whatever the situation that you're going through in relationship, it will be taken care of, and he is there by you to back you up intellectually and practically, and he seems to be very well connected. So he is actually a gift, or I would say he is somebody who has been your guard right from the past lives. That is what the cards are suggesting. So he's a past life karmic connection who is going to really support you in the coming time in whatever kind of relationship you talk about. It could also mean that this person will act as an anchor to take care of you in any tough time in relationship if you are at all going through it. Coming to your career friends, we have Queen of Wands in the reverse position. Now this card is suggesting that there is somebody who is senior in authority, or senior in designation, or senior in experience in your field of expertise, either in your direct job environment, or as a senior colleague, or as some industry expert, or some senior coach who was always having an influence on you, and this person is not very much in good they are not, you don't seem to be in their good books, because somewhere I can see them playing around things, manipulating things, and somewhere we can say that this person is trying to create problems and hindrance in your career growth. Now this lady is quite well networked. She seems to be very powerful lady, mentally and socially also, and maybe professionally also. So you really need to be careful about this lady. Don't hurt her ego, because she can really create some problem for you. This lady could also be you, your inner intuition trying to misguide you, trying to lead you into mess. That is another alternative which I could think of right now. So just if at all it is you yourself, try to align your energy to your inner voice, because see, honestly what happens is sometimes because of situational factors, or because of some stars which are affecting our mental acumen or mental decision making power, or because of the position of some stars in your chart, there is a possibility that you might think in a very different way. So the energies might really change, which might lead you into mess, because you might take some wrong decisions, wrong actions, and leading you into mess. So that could be one of the area. So either somebody else is trying to overrule you, overpower you, trying to manipulate you, or you yourself, your own mindset, your psyche, which is not going in the right direction, leading you into mess or pitfall. So just be really very aware of your thoughts. Listen to your inner voice. Inner voice never lies. Inner soul connect never lies. So connect with your inner self and listen to your inner voice, and go by your inner voice. Don't go by your mind. Go by your, I would say, don't go by your brain, or don't go by your heart. Also go by your mind, because mind is a little more logical and thoughtful and wise, as against heart and brain. So just try to be, or heart and intellect for that matter, I would say. So just be little aware of what you say, what you do, how you do it at your work, otherwise you will lead you into mess. So coming to your finances, we can see Knight of Wands energy in the upright position. Very beautiful card. It says that you are all set to plan your finances well. You are all prepared to plan your finances. There is a possibility that you might be expanding your horizons in terms of planning your finances well. You might be going to a different geography to plan your finances better. Dreams is the card which is suggesting you that you will be able to fulfill your dreams. Just be little realistic on what you want to achieve, but otherwise financially it looks nice. Coming to your health, friends, we have Queen of Cups and Ten of Pentacles energy. Now, I got two cards when I was pulling your cards. So here I'm getting two messages, where one way I can see some of you going through a lot of low phase, emotionally low phase in your life, or you might feel disconnected with your intuition, disconnected with your own self, and not being able to take decisions because you're feeling too overly drained by your emotional quotient. So somewhere that is affecting you. But at the same time, I can see a family card here, which is Ten of Pentacles, which is confirming that though you are feeling low, though you are feeling emotionally stressed or drained due to some reason, your family is backing you in taking care of yourself. So go by your family support. It will help you to build your strength. Also, it is going to help you to take care of your health. So family is all set and supporting you to take care of your health, to build your better health for future. And don't fight with your inner demons. Try to try to just let go if you are holding on something which is leading you into depressive or anxious phase or low phase, because it could be either just a bad time which is caused due to the planetary positions, or it could be just your inner aura, which is actually getting affected by the things and people that are surrounding you. So just try to work upon it, fight out the negative energy that you are going through, try to pull yourself back, and your family is all set to support you here in case of your health carry. Again, here we are getting this family card, which is a chakra advice card, which is suggesting be binded to your family, be close to your family. Your family is there to support you, anchor you, and take care of you. Wherever you feel disconnected, if you are a spiritual person, and if you feel disconnected, align with your ancestral energy. They will guide you on the way ahead with the help of intuitive guidance. Singing and dancing is the energy, is the message given by angels. Try to just shed off your unnecessary stress by singing, dancing, workout, and try to make yourself happy with the music, with the positive moments that will help you to enhance your positive vibration and positive energy. For people who have been really going through a low phase, I would suggest them to use a lot of red color in their life. That will help them enhance their vibrational, positive vibration, enhance their root chakra energy, which will in turn enhance their self-confidence and self-esteem. So I really hope this reading helps you guys, Taurians. Take care. So friends, I really hope this reading will help you to plan your life in future. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Facebook page, LinkedIn account, as well as on my Facebook group Astro Vruksh by Shefali, which is a combined group of Tarot Reader Shefali and Astro Vruksh by Shefali brand. So we operate 3 YouTube channels: Astro Vruksh by Shefali, Tarot Reader Shefali in Hindi, and Tarot Reader Shefali in English for the international audience. So friends, if you are looking for any personalized session, this is a general reading. So if you need any personalized session, you can connect with me on my mobile number, on my email ID, or you can message me on Instagram or Facebook for that matter. I'll reply back to you, or my assistant will reply back to you. So friends, do share these videos with your more and more friends and family, because people are in need of help right now, and these general readings can surely guide them, at least to an extent that they can, ease out their stress. Don't forget to share your comments with me. Your feedback is always welcome. I really like to know, what do you think about videos? Are there any improvising areas? Are there any areas which you want me to especially focus on? So I really want to welcome new subscribers on board, and I thank all those subscribers who are already the part of the journey. Take care, guys. Very good luck to all of you.